Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to build perfect Go High Level funnels with AI. If you've been looking for a faster way to create high converting funnels without starting from scratch, Go High Level's AI Funnel Builder is going to save you hours of work while delivering professional results tailored to your business. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to app.gohighlevel.com. This will take you directly to your Go High Level account dashboard. Once you're there, sign in with your credentials. If you're managing multiple clients, make sure you're in the correct agency or client dashboard before moving forward. Now look over to the left navigation panel and click on Sites. From the options that appear, select Funnel to begin creating your new funnel. This is where all your funnel building magic happens. Next, click the plus New Funnel button located in the top right corner of the page. You'll immediately see three options presented to you, from Blank, Funnel AI, or from Templates. Since we want AI to do the heavy lifting for us, go ahead and click on Funnel AI, then hit Create. This is the key to letting Go High Level's artificial intelligence build a customized funnel based on your specific business needs. The platform will now ask you to fill in some important details. You'll see fields for the name of your business and the industry your business belongs to. Fill these in accurately, as this information helps the AI understand what kind of funnel will work best for you. Once you've entered everything, click Next. On the following page, you'll be asked about your preferences for this funnel. Click the drop-down arrow beside the line that says Business To, and you'll see four options: generate more leads, get more appointments, showcase your service, or sell products and services. Choose the option that best matches your primary business goal. For the next field, you'll select what you want the funnel to feel like. Open the drop-down menu and browse through the style options available. Pick the one that aligns with your brand's personality and audience expectations. Then click Generate. Now sit back for a moment while Go High Level works its magic. The AI will load and optimize your funnel based on all the information you just provided. This process usually takes just a few seconds. Once your funnel is generated, you'll be directed straight to the editor page. This is where you can fine-tune everything to perfection. Start customizing by entering your brand name and logo, adjusting your services, tweaking colors, or modifying any content that needs a personal touch. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Publish. And that's it. You've just built a professional Go High Level funnel using AI in just a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.